Are you looking for the best PEX Crimp tools in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best PEX Crimp tools that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, iCRIMP Ratchet PEX Cinch Tool. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for your PX pipe installation, look no further than the Universal Cinch and Amp Remove Tool. This tool meets ASTM 2098 standards and will work with stainless steel clamps from any manufacturer to make PX connections from 3/8 inch to 1 inch. It can also be used to cinch single ear hose clamps, as long as the ear's length and amp width is within the opening range of the jaws. The Universal Cinch and Amp Remove Tool is constructed of durable high-quality steel with a forging process to ensure integrated mechanical property and a long service life. The inside of the jaws is processed with wire EDM cutting to ensure precision. The ratcheting design and self-release mechanism make the cinching process effortless. The tool is factory adjusted with no requirement for a calibration tool. This is a complete kit for your PX pipe installation, including 1 PC of the Cinch and Amp Remove Tool, 1 PC of the PX cutter, 20 PCS of 1/2 inch clamps, and 10 PCS of 3/4 inch clamps. At number 2, IWISS PEX Pipe Crimping Tool. If you're looking for a way to fasten PX pipe to brass or poly fittings, the ASTM F1807 standard is the way to go. This new product is smaller and lighter but provides the same pressure, making it a great choice for those looking for an easy-to-use option. The comfort grips minimize user fatigue, and the item includes a 1-inch crimper, 1/2 an amp, 3/8 an amp, 3/4 inch jaws, gauge, and spanner. So if you're in the market for an easy-to-use, reliable product that meets ASTM standards, this is the one for you. At number 3, IWISS PEX Crimping Toolkit. The IWISS FAS F1807 PX Crimp Toolkit is a great option for those looking for a reliable and durable PX tubing crimper. The tool is factory calibrated and meets ASTM F1807 standards, making it compatible with all types of PX tubing. The smooth actuation mechanism requires minimal force to secure connections, and the hardened steel construction ensures reliability and durability. The IWISS FAS F1807 PX Crimp Toolkit includes 3 exchangeable die sets: 1/2, 3/8, 3/4, a built-in 1 jaw, a go/no-go gauge, and a PX cutter. All of the components fit in a customized carrying case, making it easy to take the toolkit with you on the go. The IWISS FAS F1807 PX Crimp Toolkit is a great option for those looking for a reliable and durable PX tubing crimper. At number 4, SharkBite PEX Crimp Tool. The SharkBite PEX Crimp Tool is a top-quality tool that is built to last. It is versatile and can be used to connect copper, PX, CPVC, and PRT pipe in any combination. It is also certified to 200 psi and 200 degrees Fahrenheit and can be reused up to 4 times. This makes it a great choice for both residential and commercial applications. SharkBite's attention to detail and quality is what sets it apart from the competition. Its quality and performance is field-proven with more than 550 million connections. This makes it the only push-to-connect brand that can ensure a clean, leak-free connection. If you are looking for a top-quality, durable, and versatile crimp tool, then the SharkBite PX Crimp Tool is the perfect choice for you. At number 5, iCRIMP Stainless Steel Tools. The CRP 650 Cinch Tool is a versatile and easy-to-use tool that meets the ASTM 2098 standard for stainless steel clamps. It is made of durable high-quality steel with a forging process to ensure integrated mechanical property and long service life. The ratchet design and self-release mechanism make the cinch easy to use. This cinch tool works not only with ASTM F2098 clamps, but also with heavy-duty rope clips and adjustable hose clamp for car and amp, truck. This cinch tool is a great choice for those who are looking for an easy-to-use, versatile tool that meets the ASTM 2098 standard. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.